Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce you to a very cool feature, which is the Sitjinch live stream function. This feature helps you increase fake viewers and comments for your TikTok live streams. Have you ever encountered a situation like this before? This is when you start a live stream, but absolutely no one comes in to watch, no one comments, and there's truly no interaction whatsoever. Or you keep going live repeatedly, but TikTok simply doesn't recommend your stream to a wider audience. The primary and most significant reason is that TikTok's sophisticated algorithm evaluates your live stream as not being able to effectively retain viewers, so it consequently doesn't push your stream to more potential viewers. But with the incredibly innovative Sitjinch live stream feature from my advanced software, it will genuinely help you, first and foremost, to create realistic fake viewers as soon as you initiate your live broadcast. Second, you can have authentic looking comments that appear as if real people are actively asking insightful questions about your valuable products. Next, it will undoubtedly make your live stream much more lively and incredibly engaging, especially during those crucial initial moments when you first go live and don't have any actual viewers present yet. This significantly helps your live stream become much more dynamic and truly interactive. Additionally, it can profoundly help the algorithm understand that your live stream is successfully retaining viewers exceptionally well, which is a key metric for visibility. So, how exactly does this powerful software work its magic? Let's thoroughly explore its comprehensive features together in detail. First, I'll provide you with a detailed overview of the remarkable Sitjinch feature. There are various powerful functions available, such as Sitjinch by profile, by video, or by live stream. The main and most important feature I'm introducing to you today is the highly effective Sitjinch live stream function. Here is the main and intuitive interface of the Sitjinch live stream feature. You can precisely choose the desired number of threads and also the specific number of viewers to run simultaneously at the exact same time. Here for this demonstration, I'll carefully select 6 active viewers. There are also some additional and very useful features, such as the total number of accounts to utilize for the live stream all at once. If an account unfortunately fails, after 5 diligent attempts, it will automatically and seamlessly switch to another available account. Now, I'll carefully choose any available live stream link. For example, here I'll specifically pick a particular live stream link. Here's a live stream that currently has only 4 viewers. Since there are only 4 viewers present, I'll meticulously copy this specific link. After successfully copying, I'll then proceed to go back to my advanced live stream software and carefully paste it in. You have the flexibility to paste multiple live stream links here, and for each individual link, please ensure you place it on a separate and distinct line. Next, directly below is the specified duration for actively watching the live stream. You can precisely set it anywhere from 1000 to 1500 seconds. This is the crucial time designed to help effectively retain viewers. Below that, you can carefully select the specific live stream you wish to boost. Here I can easily copy the live stream link. Below, I'll carefully select the comments. I've already meticulously prepared some excellent comment content here. Each individual comment should be placed on a separate line, so the software can randomly and intelligently pick one for each comment action. After diligently saving, I'll then close it. Here, I'll carefully tick the box for comments. Okay, after I've completely finished the basic and essential setup, I'll continue by carefully selecting the account box and then loading all the necessary accounts. Next, I'll highlight all the accounts, right-click, and then hit Setup. The software will automatically and efficiently log in and find each specific live stream for you. After successfully logging in and locating the live stream, the software will automatically proceed to these live streams, like them, and also comment. Here, the software has already successfully found the live stream. As you can clearly see, there were only 4 viewers initially. After I logged in more accounts, it's now impressively up to 8 viewers. The software will also automatically send hearts to your live stream, as you can clearly observe. Or here, the software will automatically log in the accounts for you to find the live stream. For example, if there's a CAPTCHA challenge, the software will also help you automatically and effectively solve the CAPTCHA. And for example, if you have a channel with 1000 dedicated followers, when you go live but no one watches, and there's another person with 1000 followers who also. But they use the Sitjinch live stream feature, so they have 10 to 20 real viewers right from the start, along with comments for interaction. As a result, TikTok will prioritize recommending the second person's live stream first because the platform evaluates that this second live stream has good content, interaction, or is retaining viewers well. In addition, you can direct the accounts you're managing according to your target audience. For example, if you're working in fashion, you should direct your accounts to topics related to fashion. If you're doing online money making, then you should direct them to live streams about making money online. As you can see, after I push the live stream up, the software will automatically comment for you. First, it will automatically comment, then automatically like. You can see that from 4 viewers, now I just need to add 6 more viewers because TikTok is now recommending this live stream to 10 to 14 viewers. To summarize, the software isn't using SitJinj to trick TikTok or anything like that. It's simply helping you create an initial boost, giving your live stream interaction and viewers, which in turn helps retain real viewers and build a real audience. If you want me to give a detailed tutorial on how to set up and increase real viewers and real comments for each industry, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll support you and do a live demo. That's the end of this video. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.